Hey everybody, welcome to Finecurlzjess with your girl Jess. And I know my hair looks a little crazy today. Excuse all that. I just took some crochet braids out. I have not washed my hair because I want to do a hair review product line for you guys. It's been a minute, it's been a while, so let me start this off by saying that I spent all of my money for this line. So yeah, there were 5 things that I saw in my beauty supply store that were a part of this line. I got 3. One was the shampoo. I don't do shampoo. Every now and then it has to be a blue moon for me to do shampoo on my hair. My hair just never gets so much product buildup that I need to shampoo it on a consistent basis. And so since I have so much shampoo in my house already, I do not want to buy more. So I didn't get the shampoo, and then I didn't get the protein treatment, which I read the instructions. It kind of reminded me of the Apogee protein treatments, and I'm cool on all that. My hair doesn't respond well to that. Well, my natural hair, my relaxed hair did. So it's February 15th. This is 1 year of growth. If you guys are new to my channel, haven't been here before, you know, I would encourage you to go ahead and subscribe to your girl, you know, become a part of the Curls gang over here. But I had about this much on each side, about this much on each side of my head was completely shaved all the way down. It's like 2 lines over here, and then this part of my hair was like probably about this long, and then I decided to grow my hair out. So here we are. I've given myself a trim recently to kind of even things up just a little, nothing major. So yeah, this is 1 year of hair growth, and I just took my crochet braids out, which I think I mentioned. So yeah, here we are. And after I review this stuff, my hair is going back into a protective style. But the line that I wanted to review for you guys, I'm pretty sure you saw up above, is the Cream of Nature Aloe and Black Castor Oil. I got the hair mask. They did not have just like a regular conditioner, which is what I usually use. But I got the Healthy and Long Fortifying Hair Mask. It's for weak, breakage-prone, damaged hair, which kind of describes my hair. My hair is fine, it's thin, but it breaks off a lot, just naturally. No rhyme or reason to it, it just does. And it says it has conditioning aloe, Jamaican black castor oil, vitamin infused. It has no sulfates, no silicones, no petroleum, and no mineral oil, for those of you who are interested in that. And then it says that it instantly hydrates hair, restores softness, improves hair strength and elasticity. I can't talk today. Improves hair strength and elasticity. So they want you to leave this on for 3 minutes after you use the shampoo. I never leave a hair mask on for 3 minutes. That's just not my thing. So like I said, I got the hair mask. I got the Reconstructing Anti-Breakage Leaving. And it's supposed to help reduce shedding and fallout as a result of breakage, restore moisture to prevent breakage on dry hair, reduce splits in, and controls frizz, which I'm here for. I didn't look at these products when I was in the store. Looking at the ingredients now, and I realized that it has coconut oil in it. It has it in this. It has it in both, but it's like, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's the 6th ingredient in here, and it's further down the list in here. So hopefully it won't mess with my hair too much. My hair is not a big coconut oil fan. And then I got the Root Recharge Serum, which basically says that it's supposed to promote fuller, thicker, stronger, and longer hair, protects against damage when styling, instantly hydrates hair and dry scalp. So yeah, basically the whole line is dedicated to stronger hair, healthier hair, keeping length retention. So this one just says that you're supposed to shake it well before using, apply a few drops, massage, smooth any excess product through the length of your hair. Do not rinse out. Doesn't say how many times a week or how often you're supposed to use it. And this one, does not have coconut oil in it at all. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to wash my hair with my little cheapy conditioner, and I'm going to come back and we're going to apply the hair mask together. My hair has been washed. I washed it one time with conditioner. Yeah, so here we are. I had to use herbal essence because I couldn't find my Suave, which is what I normally use, Suave or VO5, but it is what it is. Okay, so now I'm going to go into the hair mask. So I'm gonna shake it up, but it is pretty thick. I guess Creme of Nature really likes these bottle styles. It kind of reminds me of the Maui lines, but this is how it looks. It's creamy, like a paste, but thick. It has the smell is kind of strange. Trying to think what it reminds me of. Almost kind of like mentholy. Like maybe it has rosemary in it or something. It's definitely a scent that opens up your airways. Oh, it does says menthol, so that's probably it. It definitely has slip to it for my hair texture. Definitely has slip. Definitely feels nice going on. I am heavy-handed. I know I don't have that much hair, but I definitely like all of my hair to be very coated with products. So, and that's how it's gonna get on my nerves. So. Solly smell is all that I smell. It's not a terrible smell. It's not the best smell either. So, and you'll see that was just extra hair shedded that didn't come out with me conditioning my hair. I'm gonna let this sit and work for more than 3 minutes. It doesn't say that you need a shower cap or anything like that, but it says that it instantly hydrates hair, restores softness, improve hair strength and elasticity. I can definitely tell you that menthol is giving my scalp that ultimate tingling, not burning sensation, but it's like that cooling tingle. That's the only way I can describe it. Looking at my mirror, feeling on it, definitely feels soft. applying it on. If you're expecting this to be something kind of heavy that sits, I feel like it's not heavy. It almost feels like a moisturizer once you put it on. Like, it doesn't weigh my hair down. It weighs it down a little bit back here, but I think that's, I actually have a little bit of heat damage in this area right here from straightening my hair out. But so far my hair definitely feels a little bit softer. I can definitely tell that it's helping my curls to pop. So we're just gonna let it sit. I'll probably come back in an hour. I'm sorry, I'm one of them type of people that leave I'm one of them type of people that leaves hair mask on for a long time. I get lost in the sauce almost, kind of. So I'll probably be back in an hour to update you guys on me rinsing it out and how I feel about it, unless the tingling gets to me too much. Either way, I'll let you know. Okay, so we're back 8,000 years later, and I rinsed my hair out. My hair definitely feels soft to the touch. It's not hard. It does feel like it left maybe a little film of product. I don't know how else to describe that, but like sometimes when I put conditioner or hair mask in my hair, even when I rinse it out, it feels like it left like this film type thing on my head. But I like it. Would I repurchase it? Yes, I like the moisture it gave my hair. The elasticity feels nice. I like that my curls look a little bit elongated, even though they are just freshly washed. Normally they're a little bit more shrunken up than this, but it does definitely give my hair a nice feel to it, and it's definitely soft. Definitely soft. So price point for that hair mask was $6 for 12 fluid ounces. And that's gonna last me a while because I don't have that much hair. Like, even with me using it, I only used literally like that much. So next is this leave-in, the anti-breakage leave-in. It comes in a spray bottle, but it appears to be thick. It is really thick, which I'm not used to as far as my leave-ins go. They're a little bit looser, so I'll show you guys what this leave-in looks like. Smells better than the hair mask. It's creamy, so it reminds me more so of like a moisturizer. And y'all know I can't. So it reminds me more of a moisturizer, but I love the way that it feels going on. Definitely providing more moisture, more slip. It's clumping my curls together, which is not a bad thing. And even though it's creamier or it's a thicker consistency than the leave-ins I normally use, it's not weighing my hair down. It still feels light, which I like. So yeah, okay. Come through. So if you needed to detangle a little bit further at this step, this definitely has slip for you to detangle. Like I said before, I'm heavy-handed. I like that it almost instantly makes my hair look moisturized. I almost feel like I don't really need anything else on top of this except for maybe an oil. But I don't know if y'all can see like the way my hair is clumping together, which I absolutely love. It's like gliding on almost like butter. Get rid of my towel that I dropped. I'm just gonna add a little bit more to my crown area. This leave-in was $6 as well.
Mommy.
Yes, honey.
Won't you go?
I'm coming back. I finished washing my hair. Chill. So yeah. I don't know if y'all see that. Okay. So yeah, I like it. So I'm not going to apply oil over my hair like I normally would, simply because I'm going to use this root recharge serum, and it is supposedly conditioning aloe. They all say this: conditioning aloe, Jamaican black castor oil, vitamin infused. It definitely has glycerin in it, so you know, if you have a thing about humidity, this might not be for you. Might make your hair frizz. I don't personally care. So it kind of smells mentholy too, but I think this will be good for people who wear their hair in braids. So I didn't even do, I don't know how much. I don't want to squeeze it all out, like all over my hair, because my hair is fine. But I did like, I guess, half a dropper. I focused on my scalp. This video here. And I'm just gonna say, so far I like it. I don't feel like I need an oil. I feel like an oil might weigh this down, and because I'm fluffing with my curls so much with the serum, I feel like I'll lose definition doing it too much. So I would probably do the serum first and then the leave-in. Trying to see. Yeah, it doesn't really tell you when to use this. Let's see. It doesn't really tell you when to use the serum. I would do the serum first since you're massaging it, and then apply the leave-in, just because, yeah, but this curl poppage, even though that's like the damaged part, I still see it like over here. I think my hair is really gonna like it, and my hair feels like uber soft. Like I don't need a cream to go over it to seal anything in. I may have just found the new it thing. So yeah, here we go. Yeah, I found this at my local beauty supply. If you have used this before, let me know. And as always, if you like what you see on my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It's the red button down below. Go ahead and click it. Click the bell to be notified of every time I upload a video for your viewing pleasure. And I have something special coming up next, so stay tuned. Until next time, you guys. Bye.